Java is a popular programming language created in 1995. Java was originally developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems, which has since been acquired by Oracle Corporation and released in 1995 as a core component of Sun Microsystems Java platform. Java is a computer programming language. It enables programmers to write computer instructions, English-based commands. It is known as a high-level language because it can be read and write. Java is among the most popular programming languages out there, mainly because of how versatile and compatible it is. Java works on different platforms: Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. It is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It is easy to learn and simple to use. It is open source and free. It is secure, fast, and powerful, has a huge community support. It is used for mobile applications, especially Android apps, desktop applications, web applications, web servers, and application servers, games database, connection, and much more.